Adorable parent and baby mammals. Learn animal sounds for kids. Welcome to our wild and wonderful adventure. Today we're meeting some amazing animals and their adorable babies. From the towering elephants to the playful goats, let's find out who they are and what they sound like. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello everyone. My name is Big Benny and I'm a Papa Bear. I live in the forests and love eating berries, honey, and fish. This is my child.
Hi, I'm little Benji, Benny's cub. I follow my mom and dad everywhere, and I love climbing trees and playing in the forest.
Greetings, my name is Zara, and I'm a zebra. My black and white stripes make me one of a kind.
And I'm Zippy, Zara's foal. My stripes are still light, but soon I'll look just like my parent.
Hello, I'm Della the deer. I live in the meadows and forests, always staying alert to keep my family safe.
And I'm Dotty, Della's fawn. I have little white spots that help me hide while I'm small.
Hi there, I'm Elvis the Elephant. I'm the largest land animal and I use my trunk for all kinds of things, like eating and drinking.
And I'm Peanut, Elvis's calf. I love splashing water.
Hi, my name is Gruffy and I'm a goat. I'm great at climbing mountains and eating almost anything.
And I'm Billy, Gruffy's kid. I'm full of energy and love jumping and playing with my friends.
Wasn't that incredible? We met bears and their cubs, zebras and their foals, and so many more. Nature is full of amazing families. Which one was your favorite? We'll see you next time for more fun and learning. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.